How to reset your Instagram Explore page in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in a quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is go to your Explore page, and you have to do only two steps. You have to uh, only watch those videos that you like, and if you don't like the videos this one, that you have to click or ignore it, or don't watch it, or uh, click not interested or unfollow it. And then like I don't want this post, so I ignore it, or not interested, so click on not interested. And so you have to follow this process as I do. So click on these three dots and then click not interested, and you have to uh, do this process again and again. And you have to only only watch those videos or posts that you like, and then ignore the videos that you don't like. So after some days, then your explore page will change according to your uh, views, or the videos that you watch, and the Instagram suggest it in the explore page. So that's basically it, that how you can reset your Instagram explore page in 2021. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, uh, like on this video, and comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.